Social media giant Facebook has picked up 9.99% stake in Reliance Industries' Jio platforms at Rs 43,574 crore or $5.7 billion. This makes it the largest FDI for minority investment in India. In a post, Facebook founders Mark Zuckerberg said, with the investment, the two companies were committing to work together on some major projects that will open up commerce opportunities for people across India as people remain under lockdown and will require digital tools to grow their businesses. Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan interacted with Indian Medical Association doctors through video conferencing today. The Home Minister assured them security and appealed to them to not do even symbolic protest as was proposed by them earlier. The minister stressed that the government will back them. The government is set to conduct a telephonic survey to determine the spread and extent of COVID-19. Citizens will receive a call on their mobile phones from the number 1921 across the country with enquiries about their health and possible COVID-19 symptoms. The survey will be done by the National Informatics Center and the states have been asked to inform people about the survey. A day after two central teams landed in West Bengal to assess the handling of the COVID-19 situation in the state, the Mamata Banerjee administration has said it will support the interministerial central team in its ground assessments. This comes after Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee had initially resisted what she called the centre's interference. It was reported that IMCT deployed in North Bengal could not move out the entire day on Tuesday, and the team in Kolkata stepped out in the morning only to be told by police to make a U-turn. Later, the Chief Secretary assured assistance to the IMCTs in a letter to the Union Home Secretary. The centre has added a few more exemptions to the list of services that are exempted from the lockdown restrictions. Shops for schools and college books and electric fans will be allowed. Services of bedside attendance of senior citizens and public utilities like recharge facilities for prepaid mobile phones will be allowed. Some food processing plants in urban areas can function, among other things listed on the MHA website. The MHA stressed that all activities must be carried out keeping social distancing norms in mind. The Delhi-Noida border has been sealed after many cases of COVID-19 in Gautam Budh Nagar were traced to contacts in Delhi. Exemptions, however, are still allowed for people providing essential services, but these too have been made stricter, with government-issued passes and ID cards made compulsory for journalists. Doctors providing emergency services will be permitted to travel to Noida. Delivery of essential goods, ambulances, government staff movement with valid ID cards is still permitted. US President Donald Trump announced a temporary suspension of immigration into the United States on Tuesday. Trump said he would be placing a 60-day pause on the issuance of green cards in an effort to limit competition for jobs in the US economy. He said the pause was intended to help put unemployed Americans first in line for jobs as America reopens after being ravaged by the coronavirus. Prime Minister Modi took to Twitter to greet All on Earth's Day, which was first marked 50 years ago today. He wrote, "We all express gratitude to our planet for the abundance of care and compassion. Let us pledge to work towards a cleaner, healthier, and more prosperous planet. A shout out to all those working at the forefront to defeat COVID-19."